stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away. Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
This weekend we are at Lincoln Trail State Park in Marshall, Illinois. We are on site 2, which is a pull-through site. It's a really nice site. The sites here are very big and spacious. Folks that watch our channel, if you're looking for a campground off of I-70, it's probably about 4 or 5 miles south at the Marshall exit in Marshall, Illinois. But I would highly recommend this place, even if you're just needing to go through as a stop. We got a lot of really nice sites here. Good morning, everybody. Happy 4th of July. My son and daughter-in-law were headed over to eat breakfast with us, and they have hit a deer. So I am running over to where they're at. Actually, I think they went back home with it. And we're going to check out the car and see if we need to make a car swap. We will keep you updated on all the fun things happening with us today. We'll talk to you later. Okay, so I told you they hit a deer, and this is the result. So what'd you think of it, John?
I said we should have picked it up and took it to the processor.
Yeah, at least everybody's okay.
Yep.
Cars can always be fixed. There you go.
Okay.
I don't know if it can see me or not, but okay, go ahead.
It's the 3rd of July, but 4th of July celebration. We're camping at Lincoln Trail State Park this weekend with a lot of my family. We have 5 campers of us, which is a lot of fun and a lot of chaos. There's children, which is fun for us. And right now we're headed to the parade. The rest of them already took off, and so we're hoping they saved us a spot. But the parade will be in Casey, Illinois, and they always have a great 4th of July parade.
It made it a little more interesting because our son and daughter-in-law had a small deer accident.
Yes.
So we're running a little late compared to everybody else.
Well, there was a lot of chaos. We had our 2-year-old granddaughter camping with us, which that's not the norm. And we're camping with 4 other campers, and that's not the norm. And then our son hit a deer. I thought the camera was going to fall off. Our son hit a deer, so Kent had to run home and give them another vehicle. So that's not the norm. And now we're going to the parade, and I can't wait.
I'm ready. We'll take some video there too.
Okay,
so,
perfect.
All right. We are getting ready to go on a bike ride at Lincoln Trail State Park in Marshall, Illinois. We'll ride around the campground and show you around a little bit, and we're going to ride around the park just so you guys can see what it's like here.
It's a beautiful park. We used to come over here, and the trees were little, and many years later, and it's lots of shade. It's a great place to camp.
Yeah, we'll show you that. There's a lot of pull-through sites that are really nice, and then there's several back-end sites, and they're all pretty good size. So we'll show you around. Lots of hummingbirds here. There's a whole bunch of them around it now. What would a KT camping video be without cooking? So on July 4th, here this evening, we are cooking on a little Traeger smoker. And we are cooking New York strips. They are going to be delicious. Okay, it's July 5th of the weekend, Monday, and we are cooking up the hash brown, what's it called?
Hash brown omelet?
Yeah, we'll call it the hash brown omelet. We just cooked 2 pounds of bacon, and now we're cooking up some sausage, I think a pound, and then we're going to cook some onions and some ham cubes and hash browns and all that good stuff. And we will show you the end result. We hope you enjoyed our video on Lincoln Trail State Park. If you did, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, and remember, have fun camping.